We need to assemble a container car. That's all. Let's load the decorations for the facade onto the container car. Amazing! Let's add decorative elements to the facade. We need to assemble the glass transporting car. Done! Now let's load the windows and doors into the glass transporting car. Keep it up. Let's install windows and doors. Let's wash the glass transporting car. You're doing really great. We need to assemble a technical car. Don't stop! Let's load the technical car. Don't stop! Let's arrange the station area. Let's weld a crack on the technical car. Keep it up. Let's grind the welding seam. That's all. Look at the cloud and choose the spring. Amazing! Ready. Let's fuel the locomotive. Pump. Don't stop. Let's inspect the locomotive before it leaves for the journey. We need to wash the locomotive. Done! Don't stop! Let's load the mail car. Done! Let's load the necessary items into the car. We need to assemble the train. Go on. You're doing really great. The train is ready. Now passengers can go on a journey. Well done! The construction of the railroad and train station is complete. Now it's ready for traveling and transporting goods.